we personalize the outcomes for all of our clients. And this is a discussion we have in advance in our consultation. And this is something that we'll often start with offering an extended depth of focus in both eyes, assuming that they're appropriate candidates. When we do this, we also discuss the fact that we may want to broaden the range in the second eye to really cover more of a sweet spot. And by doing this personalized approach, it really is kind of the best of all worlds. We have the highest quality vision covered with one eye, and we see with both eyes, and that's why God gave us two. We combine the best aspects of both, and then we play on that, and then we can elongate the range, perhaps in the second eye, with a mid-ad 3.25 diffractive bifocal lens, and that really provides a beautiful range with high-quality vision and also helps people minimize their dependence on glasses really at all distances.